Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Bookmap on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is head on over to bookmap.com. Now, once we're over here, we want to go ahead and click on the Start for Free button. Now, you might need to complete a captcha. If not, it's just going to go verification successful. Then from here, it's going to say sign up to Bookmap, and you need your sign up email, password, and then I'm not a robot. So from here, choose your country where you're located from, and now choose your email address, strong password, click on I'm not a robot, and click on sign up. If you already got an account, go ahead and click on to log in here. Now after that, I'll see you on the next part. Now once you've signed in or signed up, we want to go ahead. There should be a download button here. If it isn't, go ahead and click onto your user profile on the top of the page here. Now this is going to direct you where we can go ahead and download the client for your PC or laptop. So here it is here. So inside the Bookmap portal. So get started here. So to download and install, select one of the following options and enter license key when prompted. Before downloading, make sure that your machine meets the recommended system requirements. So we can go ahead and have a look at that on another page. So this is the system requirements. Have a read of this. Now I'm going to head back. So once you know you meet the system requirements, want to go ahead and download it. So this is the license key. So you want to go ahead and copy that. Then under that, we can choose Windows, Mac, Intel, Mac, M1, M2, Linux, and Production or Alpha. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the Windows version, Production. So I'm going to click download. Now, once it's finished download, you want to go ahead and click on the Bookmap install. It's about 200 megabytes in size. And then it's going to come up with, if you want to agree or continue, go ahead and click onto yes. Now I should have a little box that says here, welcome to Bookmap 7.6.0 setup. So now this wizard is going to install Bookmap on our computer. Any previous versions of the program will be removed. All personal settings will be preserved. Click next to continue. Now have a read of this. Click I agree. Now you got your destination folder. I'm just going to keep it there. But if you want to change it, go ahead and click on browse and find what destination file you want to do it. Keep the same destination folder, and now that's going to go ahead and download and install onto your computer. So just be patient, it shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to say completing Bookmap 7.6.0 setup has been installed. So from here, go ahead and click on finish, and that's going to go ahead and run Bookmap on your computer. Now you should get this little pop-up that says welcome to Bookmap, log in with browser, or you can sign up, but you've already signed up. And click allow. Okay, so from here you're going to have a data agreement. You want to go ahead and read, understand, and accept. Also, we got another one. I understand and accept as well. And now it's going to say connecting to the platform. And now also here it's going to say connect to market data. Can have a read of this. So you configure your data and trading. If you have the free version of Bookmap, you have multiple crypto data feeds. The default choice is Coinbase, but you can change this for stocks and futures. There's delayed data from DX feed. Real-time data for stocks and futures require Bookmap Global or Global Plus package. So you can have a read of that. You can even watch the tutorial if you like. But once you've done that, you can come back over here and you can see you've successfully downloaded and installed Bookmap on your PC and laptop.